Hello and welcome to another vlog about building the Indymill CNC. Today it's about the electronics box, and as you can see, it's a big box, maybe even too big, probably too big. The reason for it, well, just let's check it in our way. Come on, focus. I made a notch down here, so I can just take it off. Then you can see it floats onto. Why is my camera so weird today? Come on. Come on. No, you got it. Yes. It's just a box. I had a big fan. I think it's 140 mil by 140 mil, and it's 12 volt. So I have to fix that somehow. This is the box. As you can see, there are no intentional holes yet. The reason for that is I haven't really decided on the electronic part yet. There's still maybe 1-2 months maybe before I actually order the electronics, because, well, no money, no problems. I don't have that much to spend each month, and I'm getting the wheels for New Year, I think. So this is the excellent part list by Indymill, and I have color coded it green in-house. So of course in Danish, as I am Danish. Orange is on the way. Purple here is just things I'm looking for elsewhere, or maybe even have decided on. Yellow is just notes. But as you can see here, I'm getting this one, that one with the plug here. So I was thinking, the plan is this one should be down here. It's big, so it's probably be like this space here. Why is my camera so weird today? Come on. Ooh. Well, so I'm thinking I'll do the switcher on here somewhere. What's called EO, something like that. So it's more like this, something like that. And then I'm thinking I'll do the holes in for plugs like in a line. Yeah, I know it's different, but I like system. So Y1 and Y2. Then I think we'll do end stops down here. The same, something like that. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm still drawing on it, and I'll remove it if need be. I've got holes here for the fan, as I already installed it. Was a fan just had laying around. There we go. So yeah, that's kind of thing that I'll just put this down. Maybe I can use my little 3D printed stand. Ooh. Just put that down so you can see, and I don't shake it all over. I'll keep focus better, I think. Don't do that. Yes. So my plan was in here, maybe like that. Yeah, it will only almost look like it's meant to be there. So the idea was hot air out that way. So it goes out to the room. Just take the frame here. Say that's the front. Maybe like this. Front out there. Yeah, that's probably good. Looks good. Yeah, I think so. And I can have some other storage out here. This is a basement workshop. I have my material out here. Yeah, waste plastic from 3D printing. So yeah, that was that one. So I know I can see down here what size hole I need to cut, but it's, to be honest, it's China things. You don't always get what you order, especially with those like really cheap items, because this is like in Danish crowns, it's like 10 crowns or something. It's really $1 or something. It's more in shipping than product. So I'll wait till I get it. And I was thinking about these plugs, and maybe even for Instaps too. I know it's a little bit much maybe, but as I'm thinking, I'm putting in the power plug. So for both power supplies here, and then I can unplug it, but I can't unplug it if I just have wire in from Instaps. So I think I'll do plugs for everything. Yeah, I just decided that. So I have 7 plugs, maybe spindle also, 8 plugs. I'll figure it out. I think that's how we're gonna do it. I know it's just a box and it's of like a kitchen drawers or something, but come on, it's a nice box, nice feature, huh? Well, okay. I want a new camera. It's my phone. So I think that's all for now. My 3D printer is broken at the minute. Well, the extruder is. I have ordered a new, but I'm waiting for a while, so I can finish those. This is the part 3 of the dust. Dust shield brackets. I missed 2 of this, and then I'm done with every printing for it. I have done all of this and put on screws, and even for the spindle, I haven't put it on yet, but I have that extra one with the fan in and the cover on and so on. It's very nice. I'll update as I go on. And then the shield I have upstairs. Oh, come on. What's up with that? Bye.